the crops nobody is talking about. What if I told you that some of the most profitable crops you could possibly grow aren't what you think? Not corn, not soybeans, not wheat. I'm talking about plants that sell for $20, $40, even $80 per pound. Plants that most farmers have never even heard of. Plants that chefs, supplement companies, and health-conscious consumers are begging for but can't get enough of. While everyone else is fighting over commodity crops that barely break even, there's a quiet group of specialty growers making serious money by serving undersupplied niche markets. Low startup costs, massive profit margins, and demand that keeps growing. Today, I'm going to show you 20 of these plants, and they will completely change how you think about farming and homesteading. Stick around, because one of these plants is the fastest growing plant on Earth, studied by NASA, and most people think it's just pond scum. Another sells for up to $80 per pound, and you can grow it in your backyard. Let's get into it.
Number 1, moringa, the miracle tree that prints money. Let's start with moringa, often called the miracle tree, and for very good reason. This fast-growing tree produces leaves that sell for $20 to $40 per pound when dried, and global demand continues to rise year after year. Moringa is considered one of the most nutrient-dense plants on Earth. Its leaves are packed with vitamins A, B, C, calcium, iron, potassium, and complete plant protein, which makes it extremely attractive to the supplement and wellness industries. From a grower's perspective, moringa is almost unmatched. It grows aggressively, sometimes reaching 15 feet in its first year, and thrives in warm climates with minimal water once established. The leaves can be harvested repeatedly throughout the year, meaning you are not relying on a single annual harvest. In addition to leaf sales, moringa seeds are used for oil extraction and water purification, creating secondary income streams. Because most moringa products are still imported, local growers who can supply fresh, clean, and traceable product have a strong competitive advantage in premium markets. Number 2, duckweed, the pond scum NASA studied. Duckweed may look insignificant, but it is one of the most biologically efficient plants on the planet. Selling for $20 to $60 per pound dried, duckweed is the fastest growing flowering plant known, capable of doubling its biomass within 24 to 48 hours under ideal conditions. This rapid growth makes it incredibly attractive to intensive production systems. What truly sets duckweed apart is its protein content. At 40 to 45% protein by dry weight, it surpasses soybeans and rivals many animal protein sources. NASA studied duckweed as a sustainable food source for long-term space missions due to its rapid growth and nutritional density. Today, it is being explored for use in protein powders, aquaculture feed, livestock feed, and even human nutrition. Duckweed can be grown in shallow ponds, tanks, or controlled indoor systems, allowing producers to generate large yields in small spaces with very low input costs. Number 3, lovage, the chef's secret ingredient. Lovage is a perennial herb that remains largely unknown outside professional kitchens, yet it sells for $15 to $30 per pound. Its flavor is bold and complex, often described as celery combined with parsley, and a deep savory note that enhances broths, soups, and sauces. Because lovage is rarely found in grocery stores, chefs are willing to pay premium prices for fresh, locally grown supply. Lovage plants return year after year, grow vigorously once established, and allow multiple harvests throughout the season. Its long taproot makes it drought-resistant, reducing irrigation costs. The scarcity of commercial production gives small growers a unique opportunity to dominate local restaurant markets with minimal competition. Number 4, culantro, not cilantro, but worth more.
Culantro sells for $15 to $30 per pound and is a cornerstone ingredient in Caribbean, Latin American, and Southeast Asian cuisines. While it is often confused with cilantro, culantro has a stronger flavor and is far more heat tolerant, making it better suited to tropical and subtropical growing conditions. Culantro is essential in dishes like sofrito, pho, Thai curries, and traditional stews. Because it is difficult to find fresh outside ethnic markets, consistent local production commands premium pricing. The plant grows well in shaded environments, has a long harvest window, and fills a growing demand as global cuisines continue to gain popularity. Number 5. Shiso, the Japanese herb going mainstream. Shiso, also known as perilla leaf, sells for $20 to $50 per pound, particularly when sold fresh to restaurants. It is a staple in Japanese and Korean cuisine, used in sushi, pickling, wraps, garnishes, and infused oils. The plant comes in both green and purple varieties, each with its own flavor and culinary application. Shiso thrives in warm weather, grows quickly from seed, and allows multiple harvests per season. As Asian cuisine becomes more mainstream, the demand for authentic ingredients continues to rise. Local growers who can supply fresh, clean, and traceable product have a strong competitive advantage in premium markets.
Number 6. Epazote, the Mexican herb nobody grows. Epazote sells for $12 to $25 per pound and is indispensable in traditional Mexican cooking, particularly in bean dishes where it aids digestion and enhances flavor. The herb has a strong, distinctive aroma that cannot be substituted, making fresh epazote highly desirable. Despite strong demand, epazote is rarely grown commercially. It thrives in warm climates, grows aggressively, and requires very little care. Because dried epazote loses much of its potency, fresh supply is especially valuable to restaurants and home cooks seeking authentic flavors. Number 7. Purslane, the weed worth more than spinach. Purslane sells for $15 to $30 per pound and is one of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens available. It contains exceptionally high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, along with vitamins A, C, and magnesium. Its crisp texture and slightly lemony flavor make it popular in Mediterranean and health-focused cuisine. Purslane grows aggressively, tolerates drought, and thrives in poor soil conditions, making production costs extremely low. What many consider a nuisance weed is quickly becoming a sought-after superfood among health-conscious consumers and chefs. Number 8. Yaupon holly, America's only native caffeine source. Yaupon holly leaves sell for $30 to $70 per pound dried and are gaining attention as a coffee and tea alternative. This native shrub produces a smooth, naturally caffeinated tea without the bitterness or jitters associated with coffee. Yaupon is a perennial plant that thrives in the southeastern United States, requires minimal maintenance, and allows multiple harvests each year. As consumers increasingly seek local, sustainable caffeine sources, Yaupon holly is positioned as a premium niche product with strong storytelling appeal. Number 9. Mexican tarragon, the herb that grows where French tarragon won't. Mexican tarragon thrives in hot climates where traditional French tarragon struggles. It offers a similar anise-like flavor and sells at premium herb prices. This plant grows vigorously, resists pests, and performs well in poor soils. For growers in warm regions, Mexican tarragon provides access to a market that would otherwise be unavailable due to climate limitations.
Number 10. Lemon balm, the stress relief herb everyone wants. Lemon balm sells for $20 to $40 per pound dried and is widely used in teas, tinctures, and supplements for stress, anxiety, and sleep support. Its gentle lemon aroma makes it popular among both traditional herbalists and modern wellness brands. Lemon balm spreads quickly, allows multiple harvests, and thrives in containers or open ground. As demand for natural stress relief continues to rise, lemon balm remains one of the most reliable medicinal herbs to grow. Number 11. Ashwagandha, the supplement industry's darling. Ashwagandha root sells for $25 to $60 per pound and is one of the most in-demand adaptogens in the world. Used for stress management, energy, and overall wellness, it plays a major role in the global supplement market. Most ashwagandha is imported, creating opportunities for domestic growers who can produce high-quality roots with consistent potency. The roots store well, ship easily, and serve a rapidly expanding consumer base. Number 12. Hyssop, the forgotten tea herb making a comeback. Hyssop sells for $20 to $35 per pound and is used in teas, essential oils, and herbal blends. Its strong aroma and historical significance make it attractive to craft tea companies seeking unique flavors and stories. Hyssop is a hardy perennial, drought-resistant, and easy to maintain, making it ideal for small-scale production. Number 13. Tulsi, the holy basil gold mine. Tulsi sells for $20 to $45 per pound dried and holds deep cultural significance in Ayurvedic medicine. It is used in teas, supplements, and immune support blends. Tulsi grows rapidly, allows multiple harvests per season, and performs well in warm climates. Its dual appeal to traditional and modern wellness markets keeps demand strong year-round. Number 14. Catnip, not just for cats. High-quality catnip sells for $30 to $60 per pound and serves the massive pet industry. Premium catnip is significantly more aromatic and potent than low-grade commercial products, making it highly desirable to pet owners. Catnip is a perennial, grows vigorously, and requires minimal care. With pets increasingly treated as family members, premium products continue to command premium prices. Number 15. Calendula, the skincare industry's secret weapon. Calendula flowers sell for $20 to $50 per pound and are widely used in creams, salves, oils, and soaps. The flowers are valued for their skin-soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. Calendula grows easily, produces abundant flowers, and allows repeated harvesting throughout the growing season. The clean beauty movement has significantly increased demand for high-quality dried petals. Number 16. Fenugreek, the culinary and medicinal dual threat. Fenugreek sells for $15 to $30 per pound and serves both food and supplement markets. The seeds are essential in spice blends and traditional dishes, while also being used in herbal formulations. This dual market demand creates stability and reduces reliance on a single buyer type, making fenugreek a resilient specialty crop. Number 17. Stevia, the natural sweetener revolution. Stevia leaves sell for $20 to $40 per pound dried and are increasingly sought after as consumers reduce sugar intake. Stevia is hundreds of times sweeter than sugar with 0 calories. While industrial processing is competitive, simple dried leaf markets remain accessible to small growers, especially for tea blends and direct-to-consumer sales. Number 18. Szechuan pepper, the exotic spice worth more than gold. Szechuan pepper sells for $40 to $80 per pound and delivers a unique numbing sensation essential to authentic Chinese cuisine. Demand from chefs and spice enthusiasts continues to rise. The plant grows in temperate climates, but domestic production remains limited. Growers who master harvesting and processing gain access to a high-value niche market. Number 19. Gotu kola, the cognitive enhancement cash crop. Gotu kola sells for $30 to $60 per pound and serves both the supplement and skincare industries. It is widely used for cognitive health, circulation, and skin repair. The plant thrives in moist conditions, spreads easily, and allows multiple harvests. As nootropics and anti-aging markets expand, Gotu kola remains one of the most promising undergrown specialty crops. Number 20. Vanilla, the labor-intensive crop with luxury pricing. Vanilla is one of the most expensive agricultural products in the world, selling for $50 to over $200 per pound, depending on quality and market conditions. Real vanilla comes from the cured pods of the Vanilla planifolia orchid, and demand consistently outpaces supply. The flavoring industry, high-end bakeries, perfumers, and specialty food brands all rely on real vanilla, yet global production remains fragile and limited. What makes vanilla especially powerful as a specialty crop is its value density. A relatively small growing area can produce extremely high returns compared to commodity crops. While vanilla is labor-intensive and requires hand pollination in most regions, that same complexity creates a barrier to entry, keeping competition low. Vanilla thrives in warm, humid environments and can be grown in greenhouses or outdoor systems. For growers willing to invest time and care, vanilla represents one of the highest value crops on Earth and perfectly completes the list of plants that reward knowledge, patience, and strategic growing over scale.
If you found this useful, hit the like button. It really helps this video reach more people who want to farm smarter, not harder. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss our weekly deep dives into profitable crops, homesteading, and real wealth-building strategies. And make sure you follow for more content like this, because the best opportunities are the ones most people aren't paying attention to.